Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Sinta Permatasari dari kelas manajemen 22 dengan NPM 22411045. Saya di sini akan menjelaskan materi mengenai manajemen supply. Definition of inventory management. Inventory management is a process that involves planning, controlling, and supervising the inventory of goods in a company. The aim of this activity is to ensure the mill inventory availability cost efficiently to meet customer demand. Effective inventory management helps company avoid excessive storage costs due to expired inventory or inventory shortage that can lead to lost customer. The advantage of having sufficient inventory. There are several advantages to having sufficient supplies are: 1. There is an opportunity to sell goods. 2. Allows getting deduction. 3. Order costs can be reduced. And 4. Ensure the smooth production process. The importance of inventory management. The aim of inventory management is to facilitate and streamline company operation, both in terms of production and sales. In this way, the company can achieve the plans and targets set without facing a obstacles due to shortages of goods. Overall, good inventory management helps companies obtain good availability, reduce costs, meet customer demand, and increase operational efficiency. This contributes to the success and continuity of the company business. Financial management function. The inventory management function include optimizing inventory fulfillment, reduce operational costs, provide better customer service, and prevent losses from spoilage, returns, and debt. Model economic order quantity. Economic order quantity (EOQ) is a formula for reducing the total cost of inventory. This method is recurrent in the operation, logistics, and supply chain management section. With EOQ, stock of goods becomes stable and costs for ordering and maintaining goods can be reduced to a minimum. The use of EOQ plays a big role in inventory management By using EOQ, the calculation of good order and the amount of inventory stock will be monitored efficiently. In practice, the count of reorder by buyer would be carefully monitored so that the data remains up to date. Variables and assumption in EOQ. The EOQ formula consists of three variables: holding cost, demand, and order cost. We break down each variable below. 1. Storage cost. Carrying cost, also known as carrying cost, refer to the total cost of holding inventory. Minimizing inventory cost is an important supply chain management strategy. 2. Annual demand. How many requests do you get for a product each year? By looking at historical order data, you can determine how many products you sell from year to year. 3. Ordering costs, also referred to as stock fees. In this EOQ model, it is stated that quantity, discount, applied to purchasing price, and freight cost. Second, this variable has a value that is not constant. Due to the quantity of order that influence the following are the assumptions used in modeling EOQ in the case of quantity discount. 1. Constant demand. 2. No shortage are allowed. 3. Unit discount are available at the purchase price. 4. Buyer pays shipping costs, freight costs. 4. Transportation of the purchase quantity. Safety stock and reorder point. The safety stock method was cautioned because it can determine the safe inventory that must be available, while the reorder point method was cautioned because it can determine at what quantity an item must be reordered. The term safety stock relates to good inventory is an inventory prepared by a trading company to prevent inventory shortages when market demand is in unstable condition. Reorder point is a point at which an item in the warehouse must be replenished before inventory runs out. Baiklah, itu saja yang bisa saya sampaikan. Saya akhiri, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.